welcome back to another video. Today we went to two different stores. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way to run the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, we found this. It's the self-propelled Dewalt mower for $4.99, down from $5.49, so that's a little cheaper, $50 cheaper. Still going in the right direction, obviously. Hopefully we can see some of these mowers drop in price. Alright, so we got this 60 volt mower, 22 inch self-propelled, $5.69, down from $5.99. I believe that is the new one that just came out. This thing's huge, massive, 22 inch deck. Looks wide. In person it looks wider than the camera. And then they got this one for $2.99. This is a gas push mower from Toro. It says high wheel push, 11 inch rear wheels. $2.99, down from $3.19. As you guys do see, these are actually getting really cheap compared to the battery powered, because nobody's buying these. Alright, you got this one's $12 from $16.98. These are men's hats, or high visibility. You got the transfer pumps here. Just thought I want to show you guys this because I don't see these often. So $129 for the transfer pump from Ryobi, and then they got the Milwaukee one here. It says tool only. M18 transfer pump, $199. Yeah, like I said, usually I don't see these. Alright, then we got some Diablo Blades here. These are, I don't know if these are leftovers from the Black Friday deals or not, the holiday deals, but I usually don't see these at the stores. Usually these are, if I see them, there's only like one left. And then they got this 249 kit, 290, looks like 290 piece mechanics tool set. Pretty nice complete set there. Alright, so, and then we got the buy more save more from Milwaukee. So basically, you buy $2.99, you save $30. You buy $3.99, you save $80, and so forth. So obviously, the best one is the more expensive one. That's the one you're gonna save more. So you do have to get that total to that $4.99. Save that $150. That is the best one to get. Definitely check it out. I know we did see like a price glitch about a couple weeks back. That usually happens in the first day, but we're probably not going to see that again. So this is probably your best bet to get a great deal on a tool. Make sure you guys do the math on the app before you guys head to the store and buy your stuff. That way you can get the cheapest, or buy online. That's a great option there. Then these, I saw these multi-tool blades. I haven't seen these before. I don't know if these are the newer one, the new packaging or whatnot. Then I saw these. These are the red Helix. 29 piece titanium drill bit set. 29 piece, $99. That's really pricey. Then I saw this on clearance. $179. It's a 4 amp hour starter kit with 2 4s. So I don't know if this is going to be dropping in price. Just be on the lookout at your store. Hopefully they'll drop. They still having the buy one get one free. So you buy any of these kits, get any of these tools for free. So obviously you can get some good deals on those. Then I saw this at the store. I don't know if they're going to have these on clearance or what type of deal they're going to have. $349 for that rear handle Cirque Saw. And then they have these from Milwaukee. Same thing like the Diablos. They got some blades there. 2-pack. It says 1 piece, but it's actually a 2-pack. I don't know why. So definitely check it out. Then they got these. I believe these were from the Black Friday deals. $14. It's a 5-piece cargo management. And then they got these. I don't know if these are on clearance or not. But yeah, $219. That's still a bit pricey. And then I saw this. Like I said, I don't see these all the time. It's 800 watt power inverter for $129. 12 volt, 800 watts. Guys, I saw these. I don't know if this is the newer deals. I haven't seen it at any of my stores, but this store does have it. You got the buy one get one free, so you free battery if you buy any of the kits on the bottom. You get either get the 2-pack with 2 amp hour batteries, or you can get that 4 amp hour HP battery. So definitely the HP battery is the one to get. So when you buy a select tool combo kit, so you have to buy one of the bottom. That one's a really good deal. The $139 with the reciprocating side impact driver, drill driver, and then you got the circular saw and the drill driver for $99, and then you got the drill driver for $79. And then you got this one. This was the impact driver for $99. Guys, these are really good deals. Even if you have your Milwaukees and your Dewalts for work and your work truck, something like this for the house or as a gift, or somebody that's getting their first house, apartment, whatnot. This is definitely the way to go. $139. That's a really good deal, especially if you're gonna get an extra battery or a couple batteries. This is the other kit. This is the Cirque Saw Kit with the drill for $99. Yeah, that's a really good deal for a homeowner. Same thing with this drill. That's pretty cheap. Very cheap. You're getting a whole drill kit there for $79. Regular price $109, and plus you're getting the. See, I don't know if this is the glitch, like if this is gonna be stackable or not. Like, are they gonna raise the prices as soon as the end of the month gets here, or I don't know. I don't know if they're gonna go back up, that $99 from $79 to $99. Like that one was $199. I don't know if they're gonna raise the price to $199. I don't know. That's just something. I guess show your store this offer if you want to get that deal. Hopefully they'll price match it for you guys, or they'll give you guys this deal. That's why I show you guys. Make sure you guys show them the screenshots. Take a screenshot of this video. And then I saw this. I saw this at the Makita section. 1988. These are some bits I've never seen before. Engineered for impact driving. You got some 1-inch bits. A lot of different. You got some star bits on the right. Some Phillips on the left. Lots of Phillips. Looks like some Robertsons there. Some more stars. Like 2-inch bits. Magnetic sleeve. Nut driver there. And you got some more 2-inch bits. It says total of 100 pieces. Impact rated. Then I saw the mowers here. Yeah, we've seen the mowers before, but I just want to show you guys a little bit more in detail about what type of batteries these run. This is a 40-volt 20-inch push mower. $299. This is pretty much bare bones. The cheapest you're gonna get it. It's gonna get you mowing. Definitely gonna get you mowing. And then it is powered by one battery. The other one's just a slot so you guys can store it. It does have that safety key for the if you guys got children and small kids. Definitely, so they won't be playing around this. Then we got the Dewalts. So yeah, this is a self-propelled. It's a little bit better mower. Plus, the brand. It's actually, this is a really good brand. $4.99 down from $5.49. So as you guys do see, it's dropped $50. This one is powered by two batteries. So you have to have 2 batteries to power this thing up. Got the battery gauge. It's a nice big battery compartment there. Some nice beefy tires. So yeah, guys, definitely check it out. It's $50 cheaper. Alright, so you got the 13 amp electric cold water pressure washer, $2.99. This is 2,400 psi pressure washer. This is the best one, at least electric wise, that they had here. And I'm gonna go down the ladder basically and show you guys the other one, the next one down, and so forth. So the next one down is this one. This one's another newer one that they have. This is the Dewalt's 2,100 watt max psi 1.2 gallons per minute. It does have a lot of accessories. I really like the storage rack that it comes built in the bottom of this unit. If you guys look at those pictures. And then this is the cheaper one. This is just a power cleaner. $159. Would not recommend that one. I at least get the middle one. This is a toolbox. This is a 44-inch 12-drawer combo. $698. So from Husky. This is like a matte red basically. I really like this color. I really like these colors. This toolbox is really nice with the black. And it does have the self-closing 9-inch drawers at the bottom, so you guys can put your power tools in there. And it says heavyweight capacity, 3,000 pounds. And that's the way they look. They had 2 of them here. Alright, so this is, by the way, this is another store that we went to, the second store. This is used tools that they have, you know, the rental department. So you got a stump grinder. You got a self-feed, looks like a drain cleaner. So that's a heavy-duty drain cleaner. And then you got a mixer there, a mud mixer or cement mixer. You got a chainsaw here for 162, regular price 234. Obviously, battery is the way to go if you do have batteries. This one's you got a 2-inch pump there, and then you got a texture sprayer. So different tools that we don't see every day. I just want to show you guys what they had here. This is a different store. So the first one was another store. This is the same one. This is the second store still. 588, not too bad. These are really nice bags here. Very rugged, professional. You got $2.99. I believe these are leftovers from the holidays, as you guys do see. Hopefully they'll drop these in price. They have one left here. Then they had this one. This is one of the LED AC DC floodlights, down to $149. It's a dual power floodlight, basically from Ryobi or Milwaukee Ryobi. You got the buy one get one free, so you buy any of the same thing as the other store, just a different presentation or different. And then I saw these. These is something I don't see them every day, so I thought I want to show you guys these. These are square sockets from Milwaukee. These are really nice sockets, and as you guys do see, they are engraved, very easy to see. And that's the SKU if you guys want to look them up. Then you got the buy one get one free from Dewalt. So basically the nailer and the SDS rotary hammer are the best ones to get. The other one's a steel grade tool, especially at 850 is one of the newer ones, impact drivers that they have. So that's definitely a nice tool to pair it with those power stack batteries. Those power stack batteries are a beast. So make sure you guys check out my videos if you guys haven't checked out my videos. To have different batteries against, I do have these batteries against different batteries, older batteries, bigger batteries, and different tools. So definitely check it out. And here's some of the tools that they were offering here with this deal, with the BOGOs deals. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw, regular price $149. You got the 850 impact driver, atomic, the new one. Then you got the barrel grip jigsaw, $199. Then that's the kit you're gonna get for free, valued at $149. That is the nailer, so that's the best deal. $299, I believe. If you get it with this deal, it's gonna drop down to $149 if you return the battery and the battery kit. And then you got the rotary hammer here, $219. Lots of good deals. You got a Cirque Saw there, $179. That's it, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.